going? How's it going?
Sheesh! GTRs everywhere. What's up, guys? You watching another video today, tonight? We got a big old Carmeet. It's gonna get crazy. I can tell you that already. We just pulled in, and there's already people two-stepping. Let's get into the vlog. Let's go. Oh my God, bro. That's how you start the vlog, I guess. Today's gonna be lit, guys. A lot of two-steps, a lot of craziness. There's already people doing burnouts and stuff. It's gonna be crazy. But yeah, we got a bunch of GTRs here. A lot, bro. This one shoots crazy flames. You got that center exit exhaust. The color's sick, bro. Damn, wide body 2, Liberty Walk. That's an insane GTR, honestly. We got some more cars over here. JDMs, huh? The Supra? Sheesh, is that a Supra, dog? I don't know how I feel about that hood, though. What about you? Damn, that's a nice ass purple G80. I don't know what color that is, but it's nice. It's packed already, guys. We showed up a little bit late, but we somehow finessed our way into the parking lot. Oh my God. My boy got the merge, but that shit look like it's been through a war or something.
Yeah, bro.
I gotta get you another one.
I got it for a while, bro.
That's fire though. Nah, actually looks kind of cool like this, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It looks sick. Bro, what is going on? I hear revving in there. I see burnouts over here. Damn, this is gonna be insane. There's like at least a couple thousand people here. Oh my God. Look at those DRLs. Purple, pink? Dude, this is crazy. Look how many people are here, bro. What's up, bro? Yeah. Nice to meet you, bro. Oh, hell no. I'm gonna get my feet ran over. God damn. This sounds crazy. Oh my God, bro. Uh-oh. Here goes the Mustang flames. God damn. Bro, no way. Dude, these beats are just straight content, I swear. Oh my God, bro. The vlog just started. It's already lit, bro. Smash the like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I haven't even did my intro, bro. There's already... Oh my... There's already crazy stuff happening. Sheesh, the baby boys. Bro, it's literally just a parade of cars. Ooh, is that an M5 CS? Might be.
We're trying to find you.
Hugo? Hi.
Where are you at?
Finding Hugo lives?
Yeah, Finding you.
Celebrities are here.
Really?
You're a celebrity. You're the biggest celebrity.
Yeah.
What about the sandals?
Sandals.
Oh!
We gotta go to Chris's car real quick.
Why? Ow, bro. Look at that thing. Must be nice. Rich. Where is Mr. Rich at, bro?
I made Nikon all over Nikon.
Damn, look at this thing. 2024 GTR. Brand new. And he already got TEs on it. Damn, look at those wheels. Sheesh. I actually saw my boy Anthro post his car. 2024, bro. With TEs already. A Supra. I'm sure it's going to be in the two-step battle. Oh, the music's so loud. I'm sorry, guys. Look at this Urus Perf, I think, dude. God damn it. It's the perfect color. Perfect color as well. I love that red, bro. That's my favorite red. Is this my boy's car? I think this is. Supposedly there's an SVJ in here. And you know I gotta find it. Finding SVJ. Where is it at? There's an SV in here? A Mercy SV. God damn. Look at this thing. Holy shit. Look at those seats. Seats are sick. I think they fully redid the interior because I don't think they come with these seats. It looks like an Aventador seat. That shit's hella nice though. Damn. And they got a McLaren 720 with the red guts. Super nice, bro. Porsche. Where's the SVJ, bro? Oh, there is one over there. That's the only thing I want to see. Porsche is nice though. Damn. Another 720 with the top off. Diablo. What? You never see these, bro. With the gated manual in there. Man, that's old school right there. That's like classic. Crazy that it went from this to that, bro. Look at the generations. Like, that's crazy. It kind of looks similar though. But the SVJ in a sick ass purple paint, bro. That is super freaking nice, dude. Purple with red interior. Damn, that's just sick. Sheesh. Anybody need a F80 exhaust? G80 exhaust? That's for sure a G80, bro. That's for sure a Supra cat. What the? They even got seats in here? I'm about to take those from my car, bro. And then that crazy, I don't even know what to call it, death race car. Crazy interior. I've showed this thing before on the vlogs. It's literally the craziest build ever. Supra motor, 2JZ in a Lambo, guys. Probably the only one in the world with the biggest turbo he possibly can put on the roof. I think he said, he's like, I'm gonna put the biggest turbo I can on top of the car. And that's exactly what he did, bro. Exhaust and everything is insane, dude. I wanna see this thing two-step, bro. Oh my God, I had to come back outside because I hear freaking bombs going off. Bro, you hear that? What is that?
What is going on?
Sounds like a war, bro. Bunch of supercars pulled up. McLaren, R8. Anthony pulled up. Daniel. Wide body. Daniel. Daniel. Imagine Daniel does a burnout, bro. No way. They're making the van rev it. Rev it! No way he's revving it, bro. Damn. Rev it, keep rev it. Bro.
Oh my God.
Bro, what the fuck? My allergies.
Oh yeah, we're dying.
There's another SVJ, I think. God damn, bro. I'm about to pass out, bro. What the fuck is that? Chris, please do it, bro. No, no. Oh my. Oh my, bro, it's hard. Bro, knock us out. Bro, you can feel it. Bro, it's way over there and I can still feel it.
Oh, thank God.
One more time, bro.
Hi.
Hi.
What, you bring the Bronco?
No.
Everyone is telling me, where's Kevin in the Bronco? Where's Kevin in the Bronco? They
Bronco's
love it.
home.
People love it.
Raptors at home. Hey!
Look, everyone's here. Kevin, Hugo, Nico, Chris.
Hey, it's on my Twitter list.
Literally everyone is here, bro.
What?
I got a new car.
No way. What'd you get?
A Jeep.
I told you he's gonna.
I swear.
He's gonna get one. I'm telling you, he's gonna get a truck. I know it.
Can I get one now?
I know it.
Should I get a truck?
Come on.
Jeep or truck? I know it. Gladiator or truck? I know you're gonna do it.
Mine's just a regular Jeep.
Raptor to Nick.
Hey, let's
Bro.
all go
Yeah, Daddy.
off-roading. Let's all go off-roading.
Bro, let's go tomorrow. Everybody's going. I said.
It's all-wheel drive.
Do it.
I can do it.
Bro, he pulled up, fat ass burnout right when he got here.
way.
Bro, yeah, I saw him do it. You did it twice.
Yeah.
Oh, all over Aaron.
Big Buto. Look, he's gonna choke them. Look. He's gonna choke them. Look.
Oh, look at it.
Oh my God.
Arrest him.
Bro. Damn, right in front of the cops.
Hey, do a burnout now.
Wow, bro. Oh, it's over, guys. Now the cops are here. Bro, I'm not leaving, bro. out. I'm gonna pass out.
God.
I got. Oh wait, they went in. I'm sorry. Take a picture.
Bro, look at all those cops, guys. 3 cops just sitting there. And they got here right when they were doing a burnout. They're for sure gonna be mad now.
They're blocking it in.
In front of the cops?
They're blocking it in.
He said something.
He said party's over.
Party's over?
Get for the vlog. Get for the vlog.
That was quick, bro. I'm not gonna lie. He got shut down pretty fast.
Bro, I was only here for like 25 minutes.
I know. I knew it was gonna be like that, guys. I told you. As soon as we started the vlog, I was like, it's gonna be a crazy one tonight.
Alright, hold up.
What's wrong with this guy? Who are you talking to?
To his husband.
Side hoe, you know?
Guys, they just have the sirens going. They're trying to kick everyone out, but nobody's moving at all, bro. I don't know if they're gonna listen, dude. I can't even get out. Look at my car's stuck in here. I'm about to Uber home, bro. I didn't even notice there's an R34 right here. Damn. Bro, there's too many people. You can't even see the cars. And I feel like people are scratching them, bro. There's too many people. Look at G80s. Bro. There's no way, bro. This is all bad. We're trapped in here too. Like I literally can't pull my car out, bro. It's right here. Look, I'm stuck. I can't go that way. Can't go that way.
Where are you gonna go? Go,
Sam? I might leave my car here. I swear.
Is any Carmeet tonight? Wait.
This one? There's no way the SVJ is trying to get out right now. With all the cops too. Damn, a helicopter's pulling up now. And they got the Fast and the Furious music playing. The cops everywhere. Oh, we're fucked, bro. Hit it, Sam.
My hand's fucked. My finger.
This
fucker is gonna.
Oh my god, bro, you hit hard as hell. Bro, what the fuck? Sam's driving the homie's E30. Sam built the motor and clean on. It matches my E36, bro. Same wheels, same color. This would have been sick to have both of them. Sam needs another E30, bro. You need another one.
I have it.
What the fuck, bro? I can't hear you.
Hey, watch your ears. Watch out.
You're like running them over. Dude, look at all the cops. It's ridiculous, dude. Guys, I swear they've been having the sirens on for like 30 minutes straight, bro. They haven't stopped. And more cops keep coming. At first it was like 3, now 4, 5, 6, like 7 cops. I don't even know. What is going on, bro? Look at this CTSV and an R8. Man, R8 is nice, bro. Sheesh. Too much going on at once. God damn. My boy can't even
Hey, you
move.
make good content. You got a Warner brother, man. You got a Warner brother. He done, man.
Now the SVJs. Everyone's trying to leave, guys. We're trying. It literally looks like Fast and the Furious right here. Tell me this doesn't look like a scene out of Fast and the Furious, bro. The cops are over there. Look at his taillights. Little hearts? No way. Oh, don't hit the R33, bro. Alright, I think I'm gonna dip, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, I think.
11.
Oh, they're pointing the light at us. Yeah, I'm gonna dip. I'm scared. Alright, we're out. I need to get out of here without getting hit by somebody and without getting pulled over. There's so many cops, dude. I hope we get out of here with no ticket. Oh my god, look what's next to us. The SVJ. Sheesh. So sick. I'm so jealous. What's up?
Nice, sir.
You too, bro. Single turbo, bro. Because that's big. Damn. Shit's hella stock. It's all quiet. It's crazy how quiet they are when they're stock. When you put an exhaust on, it's like the loudest car in the world.
Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.